Hi friends, I'm from Regrop.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm. And today we are at Swastik Mitra Tower project. This project is located in Baliganj, Kolkata. So this we have the main out gate and here we have the main entrance gate. This side of road goes to Baliganj Pari and this side to Picnic Garden. This is the area outside the project. You can see it is very nice residential area and here is our project. This project is a ready to move in project. So now we will go inside the project. This project is spread over 0.10 acres of land and consists of single tower having 14 floors. The project offers 4 BHK apartments. So this is the area for covered parking. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel and for booking, please call us at the given number. Thank you.